morning, good morning. Today is Monday, and we're in Houston, Texas. Gonna take the van to the shop here at a place called Sprinter City. Hopefully we can figure out what's wrong with the van today. I mean, I think I know what's wrong. I think it's the torque converter. I'm 90% sure. Could be wrong, but we're gonna find out today. One of my subscribers told me about this place, and looked at the reviews. They got great reviews. Obviously, taking it to Mercedes is not in my deck of cards. They want me to replace the whole transmission. That's 15 grand. I just don't have that laying around right now. I do have money set aside. I put away 10% from all my net profit from every month. So I put away like $6,500, but by getting tires, brakes, coils, spark plugs, getting a new battery, taking it to Mercedes to get looked at, do the upshift service, all that stuff took about 40.
In 1,000 feet, turn left toward West Montgomery Road.
Took about $4,900 out of my budget there. So at the end of the day, yeah, I had money saved up, but who wants to spend $15,000? Even if you got the money, that's not something I want to do, is replace the transmission. I don't think the transmission needs to be replaced, but I don't know. We're going to find out. The one thing that I will say about putting money aside for repairs is I'm going to put more aside. Instead of 10%, I'm going to put 15%. I know the post that I made on my community page kind of made it seem like I was freaking out, like, oh, it could be the end. But it was just because that was my initial reaction to them telling me I need a new transmission. And I think anybody would say that if they had to spend 15 grand, you know? Look at Big J over there, hanging out in the rain, waving high. Still waving, even though it's raining outside. What a nice guy. Got a few sprinters out here. Got a Pro Master. Give him a little shout out. There you go, Sprinter City. Auto repair services, sprinter-city.com. Go get him, Bubba. Go get him. Go get him. I'm just kidding. As you can see, Bubba's bored. Poor guy. Must be tough, you know? All the traveling, all the butt smelling, and peeing in bushes, pooping in bushes, all around the U.S., getting treats everywhere we go, and then you gotta go to the mechanic. I get it. How are you doing? Good. It's real nice. They got us a ground floor, so if I need to take him out, he's right next to the exit. Works out good. And it's a nice room. Look at that. Can't complain at all.
That right here, you see it?
Oh yeah, how it's shaking in there?
noise?
That's probably what it was. That little shake in that thing going 60 miles an hour.
Yeah. It's probably with that.
What do you think, Bubba? That was probably it, huh? All right, so we're here in Houston, Texas. Just picked up the van. Spent some money, now I'm ready to make money. How you doing? Yes, sir, going to South Carolina. So we're picking up here and we're going to Huger, South Carolina. I think it's Huger, but I don't want to sound like a dummy, which I probably already do. If you can go a little bit farther. Yeah, if you can. All right, so the verdict is in. I picked up the Sprinter van from Sprinter City in Houston, Texas this morning, or this afternoon around noon. It came out to a lot more than I thought it was going to be. So that kind of sucks, you know, but at the same time, The good news is that the problem is solved. It was the torque converter. So I did the torque converter. We did a transmission service. And yeah, with the labor and everything, came to about $3,300, 32 and change. But I'm just thankful it's fixed. It has a big monkey on my back. We're currently on I-10. It is 8:30. We got an hour delay over here on this 2-lane bridge. It's that really long bridge in Louisiana. It goes like 20 miles or something like that. So there's no way for me to get off the exit or do anything else. It says we'll be there at 10:26 a.m. without sleeping, so 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. Should be there about 1:30. And then delivery is not till 3:30. Hopefully we can get something else tomorrow. It's Wednesday. And then next week is Thanksgiving, so I'm trying to head home by like Monday or Tuesday at least. Right now it's 12:30 a.m. We're in Alabama somewhere. Getting some gas here. Shout out to Time Critical Transport. We're making good time. Got about 10 hours left. What do you think, bub? I still got a lot of energy left. I'm not really tired right now, so we'll probably drive until 4 or 5. Sleep maybe till 7 or 8, and then finish off. We should be there by 1:30 or 2 p.m. But other than that, everything's going pretty good. So I'm waiting here for the tow truck. We got someone to come recover the load right now. I'm so blowed right now. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I'm just can't win right now. It's not looking good, y'all. Not looking good at all. Look at all that. Fuck me. Can I get a receipt of some sort? Yeah.